Welcome back. By end of this video, you'll genuinely be confused about whether the virtual influencer you're seeing on screen is real or AI generated. This isn't a try and see test. It's a proven step-by-step system. Many creators are already making real money using virtual influencers. Same face, same gestures, flawless expressions. No camera is needed, no shoot required, no actors are needed. And the best part, brands and Instagram are not bothered if the influencer is real human or AI created. Welcome to utcaistudio AI-powered, creativity-fueled. In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to turn a simple picture into a hyper-realistic AI influencer personality, which looks absolutely real, for free. Watch till the end or you'll miss important steps. I have divided the process into multiple steps so that you understand better and won't miss any step. Don't think it's complicated, it is not. Just follow this video till end without skipping, and I am sure you will recreate same outputs too. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your character. Our first step is having a face. If you already have your own character, that's perfect. Nothing is better than that. But if you don't, then Google for Pinterest beautiful girl. Open first link, scroll and choose a high quality image. Select only those images in which the face is clearly visible and front facing. Once image is selected, click on the image you liked. Right-click on image and save by clicking Save Image As. To remember, always choose an image where the face is clearly visible, straight and looking towards camera. To make life easy, I have included 5 images which you can download and use. Just check description. Step 2. Generate a clean AI character. Now let's create a unique face to use as our AI influencer. For that, we can use Nano Banana or Whisk. Nano Banana gives one image at a time. Usually the output is good, but we will use Whisk where we will get 2 images per prompt. Both tools can be used for free with daily credits. So choose any. I will use Whisk. Open a new tab and search for Whisk. Open the Google Labs and log in. Click Enter Tool. To upload the image, click the arrow on the top left corner. Click Upload and select the image you want to use. Paste the prompt which I have provided in description. Choose aspect ratio 9:16 for portrait. Click Generate. It creates 2 results at a time. If you don't like them, regenerate. Download the best front-facing image you liked. This will be your base AI character. Step 3. Upscale the image. Our next step is to upscale the image to make it more realistic. For that, we have plenty of free resources online. Just Google Upscale Image Free. You will get many free tools out there. Choose any. I will use PixArt. Here we can upscale 2x for free, but for HD we need to have subscription. 2x is more than enough for our purpose. Download it. We can see now that our image is clearer and more detailed than before. Step 4. Get a motion reference video. Now we need to get a video as a reference based on which our model will get movements from. For this, we can download a reel from Instagram or search for any beautiful actress reel Pinterest. Open a video you liked. Play and pause the video. Bring the video to its first frame. Right-click to select Save Video Frame As to save. Now we have the video's very first frame. Now we need to download the video. For that, we need to copy the video link by clicking Share button on top and click Copy Link. Now we must search for online free tools to download. Google Download Pinterest Video. We have bunch of options to choose from. I will use Blur. Paste the link and click Download. After a few seconds, we have video to download. Save to your device. Now we have a full reference video and its first frame image. Perfect. Step 5. Generate our model image as per video frame. In this step, we give motion to our model using reference video. For this, we will use LM Arena, which is completely free to use. Search for it and select very first link. Once open, first thing to do is to sign in using your Google account. Click Battle Mode to select image icon followed by Direct Chat option. we can see we have got a new option on top. Here we choose top image models to use. You can select any model you like. The first thing we must do is that we must upload first frame of our reference video. For that, click plus and select the frame image. Now we need to upload our model's image. Click plus button again, select upscaled image. Now paste second prompt which I gave in description and click arrow. After a while we will get a refined final character image of our model with same body posture as of our chosen video frame. Download it. Step 6. Add motion to our model. In this step we will copy reference video's motion to our model. For that, Google one.video. Click try now and log in using your Gmail or temp mail. Once one opens, click explore. Select avatar. Click on speech to video and select character swap. Now we must upload two things. First, reference video to copy movements. Remember, it allows only 15 seconds maximum clip's length. Second, the image of our model to which motion is added. Go to standard and select PRO. You can see that 0 credits are used for this, so it's free to use. Now click generate and confirm. As we want to use it for free, it will take quite some time based on your position in the queue, so patience is the key. If not, buy subscription to save time. If we have multiple videos to be generated, just open multiple browser windows such as Opera, Chrome, Mozilla. Log in using different email accounts to generate multiple videos simultaneously. This will save time. Finally, after a while, we got our final character video of our model. It looks impressive and the generation seems seamless. Let's download and compare result of our generation with reference video. That's amazing, right? We can see that AI generated and original video's body language are identical and realistic. Same way we can also make our model to dance, do product reviews for clothing, cosmetics, etc. If our model grows and gets huge subscriber base, brands are willing to hire your channel to market their products.
This niche is booming widely these days, and we can see many new channels pop up daily. So what are you still waiting for?
And many channels aid gaining tons of followers on both YouTube and Instagram. When they can do, so you can. If you don't understand anything, you can comment or connect via Instagram. Try different reference images and create different characters. If you learned something new, do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching utcaistudio, AI powered, creativity fueled. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.